Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use coins in Lazada. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Lazada, click on the register option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Okay, so using coins in Lazada can be useful to get discounts on purchases, reducing the overall cost. Of course, this makes shopping more economical, especially for frequent buyers. Lazada often offers exclusive deals like this one, and promotions that can only be redeemed with coins. This includes special discounts on certain products or additional perks. Coins are part of the Lazada's loyalty program, and by using coins, shoppers can maximize their rewards and get more value from their purchases. Now, I'm a frequent shopper here on Lazada, and basically I always use coins a lot if I have to or if I need to, because it often used in conjunction with other promotions such as vouchers and sale events, allowing for even greater savings. Now, for example, let's head over to the maybe I'm gonna pick something like a shoes. All right, so there's a lot of options that you can choose from here. I'm gonna Nike probably. I'm gonna head over to the legit official. Maybe this one, the gray mist. Okay, for example, I'm going to add this to cart. By the way, you can also do this on your mobile device if you open the Lazada app. It's the same process. Now, I'm gonna add another item, like let's say New Balance. I'm gonna add it to my cart. Okay, so there's already 2 items added in my cart right now. I'm gonna switch over to my cart. All I have to do is when I click those items and proceed to check out, what will happen is you would be able to use the coins at the bottom if you have coins right here. All right, it's automatically be included on the checkout process. But of course, I don't have coins yet, and for you to be able to get coins, just go at this section, the Lazada app, because it's a lot easier to check the coins. As you can see, when you hover down here, there's the coin section, and if you check in daily to your apps, you earn 2 coins. If you collect that, it will automatically deposit it into your coins, Lazada coins balance. And from here, as you can see, there's a pop-up window that says check in daily to ramp up your coin rewards and get a huge chunk by the end. All right, let's go check in and get 2 coins. Right, and switch to order mission to earn Lazada. Alright, let's do that again. Now let's do the item earlier, because this is the cart earlier, right? Okay. Now I'm gonna go to checkout right here. Now, as you can see, you can use the coins at the very bottom, right? That means you can use the coins wherever you want and whenever you want it. Also, it's a good indicator that you might wanna always check for items that has coins. That means you can use coins for that specific item, so it'll be a lot easier for you to check wherever items that you can use your coins. All right, thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.